pivot table. Here, this is my data. Oh, oops. Yeah, this is my data pivot table. Okay, so how to make pivot table? Just like that. See, cd insert pivot table in Excel. Just you can make it just by this way, and you recommend the table, and yes, okay. So this is your pivot table. This will yes, this and this. This is you can make it short, smaller to largest. Okay, the the thing. How may be down data level or now I will make it a bit just like that. Oh, oops, sorry, apology. Just like that. Okay, okay, and here you go. And here your pivot table is ready. And this is the count of city. Okay, control A, home, black, dark. This is so your pivot table is done. Now I will make it in the same thing in pivot table. Okay, new page, blank page. Oops, no. File. Yes. File. Blank report. This will depend upon your system. Okay, and I have low time, so I'm going. Thank you.